Hi, I'm Jo, the founder of Growfit. Thank you all for joining us here today. I wanted to talk a little bit about our ultra low carb flour. When starting a keto diet in the Indian context, one of the hardest things to do is to marry the keto diet with your Indian taste buds. In most Indian homes, the foundational food is a roti. Today, my colleague Anju is going to show you how to make a great keto compliant roti with our ultra low carb flour.
Hi, my name is Anju. Welcome to this tutorial. Now the ULC rotis are ready. So the texture has come out pretty soft, and these rotis can be served with any keto curry of your choice.